Hi, my name is Muhammad Halik. I'm as the moderator.
Hello, my name is Putri Apriliani. I am a speaker.
My name is Winda Livia Febriana Putri Hatma. I am a speaker.
My name is Muhammad Astar Ilham. I am a speaker.
Oh, my name is Rosita Lena Esther. I'm a speaker.
Hi, my name is Genoveva Isabella. I am a speaker.
Hello guys, you are with me Halik in Community Club. Okay, today is very special day because I'm going to discuss about New York story with my friends over there. Okay, check it out. Hi guys.
Hello.
Okay, these are my friends. Now I'm going to ask them about their opinion the New York story. Okay, let's start with Genoveva.
Okay, thank you. My opinion about this book are very interesting. Why I say like that? Because when we read this story, we can feel many things. Okay, sad, love, angry, and so on. And this book have 5 stories, where every story had moral message. So we read one book. There were many moral message we can got by the readers. Okay, now I will tell about the part of the story which I like. Okay, which I like is the first story about the Christmas present. This is talk about a sacrifice. In present time, for me it's so hard to us to form the woman like this. But in this story, we can form the woman who really sacrifice for another.
Right.
Okay, and maybe I will tell the little main character of the story. That is Delia and James. They are the couple full love and pity in their family, and one character which I really like is a sacrifice of them. This can be exemplary for the readers. Okay. And then I have tell you about the part of the story which I like. Now I will tell you the part of the story which I didn't like. Okay. That is the second story. The second story about the Sophie's Choice. Okay, the Sophie Choice. Yeah, and I didn't like is because this story tell about someone who want to live in the prison with vigilance every ways. And for me, that's a bad habit, and I didn't like it. Okay, thank you. That is my opinion. I will ask you, Azhar, what your opinion about this album?
Okay, thank you so much for your time. Okay, my opinion is this book is this story very interesting, and this story make me curious and I like it. My opinion of the character is I like the character too because the character too very impressive and can be made as a lesson to us all. Okay, thank you.
Which part you didn't like? Which part
Oh,
you didn't like?
I didn't like part number 5
Why?
because I didn't know what the meaning of the story. Okay.
Okay, I see.
Okay, thank you. How are you? How about you, Rosita?
Okay, my opinion about this story is very good because many important messages that we can get read this book. Okay, the main character, the Mr. Bifford. I like Mr. Bifford. He is very diligent and until
He forgot
he forget
himself. He forgot himself. Who is he?
What is it so?
yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
I know. Okay, next, which you like in the story? Which you like?
I like the chapter 3.
Oh, yeah.
Which part you didn't like?
I didn't like chapter 2 because the because tell about the main character, he have stranger opinion about strong
Oh, I see.
prison.
Okay, thank you.
How about you, Putri?
Yeah, my opinion about this till this moment is very interesting. But many vocabulary it's so some little hard and I don't know. I don't know some words. And because till this moment is have two character, the very interesting in the character ini until this moment have namely till this. Okay, what about you, Ian?
My opinion of this novel is I like it because this novel is tell us about the New York people story, like their love story, life story. We can learn something something new and interesting from this novel. Okay, I will talk about the part that I like. I like the last story will have title The Memento in Bahasa. The meaning is kenang-kenangan. I like it because the plot is interesting and good for we read.
What didn't you don't like?
I didn't like the third. I don't like the third part, the third story because the man is pretended have amnesia and forget his wife. That's not a good attitude and not good example for us.
Right.
Cut me.
Okay, Winda, what do you think about the main character in this story?
At first I confused about the main character because I don't know what the attitude that she have. But when I read it carefully, I find the Miss Ray, the main character, is brave and love her husband. How about you?
At the time of my story is one of white race, just two character. The one of character is namely Island. She was beautiful, tall, and full of life. The character of two, she namely Tildis. She was not beautiful. She fat and she was small. One of the character of the chapter of 5 I don't like because in the chapter of 5 is very bad because so vocabulary is very confused and the plot is very confused and I don't know some you as Han.
Okay. My opinion with the character of the chapter is the man of the cast in the last story. He was want to repent and pissed. Okay, thank you.
Next, are you enjoyed when you read this story?
Oh, of course, I enjoy it.
Why?
Because for me, this story is very interesting.
Right.
That were many moral message which can be exemplary for me, for myself. And the words which you see in this story overall for me are easy to understand. So I can read with enjoy without open dictionary. Okay, that's it like that. What about you?
Okay, yes, I really enjoyed with this story of in the novel because this story full of mystery.
I enjoyed to read this story because I know a lot vocabularies for this novel. Thank you.
Oh yeah,
Yeah, right.
You put
good.
But I don't enjoy it.
Why?
Why?
I enjoy it. Why you not?
Because this novel is very many vocabulary is very some little hard words.
Oh my god.
And I don't know some quite
I see.
understand and
Oh, yes, yeah.
Till this moment is very not comfortable.
Oh, yeah.
And yeah, I am just read. How about you, Winda?
Oh,
I'm
I
different
know.
from you. I enjoy it because the novel is have 5 story and the story is have different moral value. It's good for us for
Do you want to recommend this story to another friends who haven't read yet?
Of course, I strongly recommended the 5 story who have titled The Memento. You all must read it because the story is very good.
Oh
Yeah,
yes.
right.
How about you?
Alright.
Yes, I do. I want take it about the chapter of 4 about Tildis moment because I like the character Tildis because Tildis is happy.
Oh yes.
After in the kiss is some the other because some
Alright.
boy
Alright. Alright. Hey.
because
Okay.
she was not beautiful and fat and she was small. How about you, Rosita?
Oh yes.
Okay, I recommendation the chapter 3 about the walk in amnesia. Tell about
Oh yes. What?
a wife, the pity of wife of the husband, of her husband.
Yeah,
How about
I-
you?
Yes.
Asal?
Oh yeah, thank you. Okay, I want a recommendation of the chapter 2 because the chapter 2 very interesting and a full mystery. You can like and I like too. Okay, how about you, Genoveva?
Okay, I am strongly recommend to you the first story because for me this is a very interesting and that were many important message which include in them. So
Alright.
you must to read. Okay?
Yes, I like.
That's their opinion about New York Short Story novel. That's right, that this book is very good, and me too. I want to recommend this story to another friends who haven't read yet. And we are so sorry if my vocabulary is not good. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. That's all for now. Thank you.
Rekam tadi, rekam.
나가지가지 하다 나 못하겠어 왜 자꾸 이상해질까 항상 네 앞에서 난 이 중학생도 아닌데 모든 게 다 유치해 사실 내가 방금쯤 말장난보다 좀 더 유치해 Look at my